Today I am here to explain buffer overflow attack. In Seed Labs, the buffer overflow experiment is divided into 4 levels from level 1 to level 4, where each level gradually increases in complexity to strengthen the learner's understanding of exploitation techniques. In level 1, the introductory level, where the main objective is to understand how the buffer overflow occurs. At this level, the vulnerable program allows simple overflowing of the buffer, and attacker's goal is to override the return address and redirect execution, usually to inject shellcode. This level helps in understanding the stack layout and the basic concept of the control flow hijacking. In level 2, this increases the difficulty by slightly modifying the buffer size and stack layout, requiring more accurate calculation of the offsets between the buffer and the return address. In this buffer, the attackers must carefully craft the payload so that the shellcode and the return address align correctly in the memory. This level emphasizes precision and reinforces the importance of the understanding how the data is stored and accessed on the stack. In level 3, this introduces additional constraints such as limited buffer space or restrictions on input, making the direct shellcode injection more challenging. At this stage, learners must apply deeper knowledge of stack behavior and may need to reuse existing memory locations or adjust the payloads secured to succeed. This level simulates more realistic attack scenarios where exploitation is not straightforward and requires analytical thinking. This is about the level 3, and in level 4, this is most advanced level designed to closely resemble the real-world exploitation challenges. In this level, the attackers must overcome stricter conditions and they carefully manipulate memory to achieve successful execution redirection. Level 4 tests the learner's complete understanding and how to implement the buffer overflow attacks in the installation process. The offset calculation and exploitation readability is calculated by this level 4. Together, level 1 to level 4 provides a setup, step-by-step learning path, and starting from the basic overflow concepts to the progressing towards advanced exploitation.